Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and connect to AWS Client VPN securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and connect to AWS Client VPN securely, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Client VPN service in the menu. Choose Create Client VPN Endpoint to begin the setup process. Fill in the necessary details for your VPN endpoint, including the name and description. Select the server certificate that will be used for authentication. Define the authentication method to be used, such as Active Directory or mutual authentication. Specify the CIDR range for the client IP address allocation. Set up the DNS server by providing the IP addresses as needed. Configure the log options to monitor any connection activities. Once all settings are complete, review your configurations and click Create Client VPN Endpoint. Next, download the VPN configuration file by selecting your VPN endpoint from the list. Click on Download Configuration to save the file to your local device. Now, proceed to download the AWS Client VPN software compatible with your operating system. Visit the AWS Client VPN download page to locate the appropriate client for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions specific to your operating system. After installation, launch the AWS Client VPN client application. In the client, click on Import Configuration and select the downloaded configuration file. Verify that all settings are correct in the imported configuration. Enter your username and password for authentication if required. Connect to the VPN by clicking the Connect button within the application. Monitor the connection status to ensure it shows as connected. For additional security, regularly update your VPN client software. Periodically review your VPN endpoint settings in the AWS Management Console to ensure continued compliance with security best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.